Pain. It's an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience. No two people feel pain the same way, even if the reasons for their pain are alike. Today, we learn about new technologies to help alleviate pain by visiting Dr. Grove Higgins at Neuroathlete and Chiropractic Clinic.
I'm a chiropractor and a rehabilitationist of almost 30 years of practice. And the area of expertise that I have is in soft tissue injury and rehabilitation. I work with everybody from world-class athletes down to individuals with chronic pain. Kind of my philosophy is that everybody has the opportunity to live an optimal life that's pain-free and at the level of performance that they deserve. Outside of great diagnostics, manual therapy, and rehabilitation, we use a few pieces of technology, and the two that work the best for us in this environment is the piezo wave acoustic compression therapy and the DNA Vibe regenerative wearables. The piezo wave I use for predominantly soft tissue injuries, both inside and outside of the joint, things like plantar fasciitis and rotator cuff injuries and the like. And then the DNA Vibe we utilize to further that outside of the clinic, where people can use it at home to continue the regenerative process that the piezo wave begins. With the piezo wave, what we're doing is we're introducing acoustic wave energy into the body, which helps us to mechanically disrupt scar tissue, reduce pain, modulate inflammation, create new blood flow to the area, so angiogenesis, and recruit stem cells into the area to help start the process of tissue regeneration. And then we continue the process at home with the DNA Vibe regenerative wearables by continuing to stimulate at the cellular level tissue regeneration. I adopted the piezo wave about 7 years ago and the DNA Vibe wearables about 3 years ago. And in that time, I have combined the two therapies with most of my patients and have gotten multiplicative results. Not only do they get the results immediately in the clinic using the piezo wave, but then they are able to continue those processes at home and continue to make themselves not only feel well, but it empowers them to continue their own enhancements at home.
So I've used the piezo wave extensively for a knee injury that I had while I was in the Navy. I'm a firefighter paramedic now, so I'm pretty rough on my body every day. I come in and see Doc once every 2 weeks or so, just because of past wear and tear. Piezo wave helps keep my knee healthy, helps me stay pain-free. In addition to that, when I head home, I use the DNA Vibe at home every night. Makes a huge difference in the way I feel. I'm able to stay active, do my job. Makes a huge difference in the way I feel from day to day.
I had broken my ankle in 2008, which messed up my left shoulder, right ankle, left shoulder. So I didn't use it and overused my right arm. But the DNA Vibe was the thing that gave me the most relief the most consistently, which is amazing.
These technologies are used all over the nation by pain management and healthcare practices. Let's learn more.
Well, our concept that we've been improving in my medical office for the last 4 years has shown that we can actually repair those ligaments, repair those tendons, and reestablish strength and stability to the soft tissue. So we're using different types of energy sources to accomplish the recovery to the soft tissue. So adjunctively, the DNA Jazz Band is utilizing that in a compact way at home. And so it really marries well with what we're trying to do here. We're trying to wake tissue up and put it back into a healing mode. And the more you can apply appropriate stimuluses, we're kind of getting that inertia or that snowball effect, and being able to have a tool like that that people can use on a daily basis only enhances the outcome of what we're trying to achieve here.
Relieving your pain is the best way to get your life back on track. Using amazing new technologies like piezo wave therapy and DNA Vibe will allow you to be yourself again.